I wanted to be up high and still see the river, but I'm here. This is Happy Hollow Park in Wisconsin. People bring boats out and ride horses out here. And it's so beautiful today. I don't have my coat or my boots or anything. But the temperature is supposed to change drastically. It's in the 70s now. And it's supposed to get down to 30 or maybe lower even. This river used to be clear with a sandy bottom. You can see all the muck. People with their dogs walking down here. But apparently, the Europeans brought carp in to sell the fish. Let them grow and sell them. And they destroyed the bottoms of the river, so now it's really mucky. This is beautiful, isn't it? Red-winged blackbird. And I hear ducks. Wow, a lot of other noises. There's a red-winged blackbird right up on the top of that tree right there. This is so lovely. All right, bye-bye.